Are you cleaning? Are you cleaning for Mommy? Oh, you're doing a good job cleaning the walls. Good job, Brooks. What's that? That's for your hair. Are you going to wash your hair? Oh, yeah, be careful. Here, let's don't open it up. Let's close it. There we go. We wanted to close it. Mommy will wash it in just a minute.